Welcome to our comprehensive breakdown on energy transition, specifically focusing on solar, wind, and nuclear power. We will evaluate their benefits, drawbacks, and future prospects in today's rapidly changing energy landscape. Get ready to explore the intricacies of these power sources, understand their impact on our environment, and how they stack up against each other. Tune in as we dive into the world of renewable and nuclear energy. Stay tuned to learn more. 1. Solar power. The abundant resource solar energy is the most plentiful energy resource available on our planet. Every hour, enough sunlight hits the Earth to power the entire world for a year. Imagine a source so abundant that it practically dwarfs any other renewable option in scope and promise. This abundance makes solar energy a keystone in our goal of a green, sustainable future. Technologies such as photovoltaic cells capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, making it directly usable for everyday consumption. More lands have become fertile grounds for solar farms, particularly in sun-rich regions where sunlight is consistent and intense. 2. Cost trends. Falling price of solar. The financial landscape of solar energy has witnessed a seismic shift over the past decade. Since 2010, the cost of solar panels has plunged by over 80%. This drastic reduction has propelled solar power to the forefront, positioning it among the most affordable renewable energy sources. Not only does this make solar energy accessible to more households and businesses, but it also incentivizes innovation and widespread adoption. Communities can significantly reduce their electricity bills by transitioning to solar, especially with the support of government incentives and eco-conscious initiatives. 3. Carbon footprint. Minimal environmental impact. Environmental stewardship is at the forefront of the solar power movement. The life cycle carbon emissions of solar power are remarkably low when contrasted with fossil fuels. While a small portion of emissions arises from the manufacturing and transport of solar panels, the operational phase is virtually carbon-free. This ensures that solar power remains an environmentally conscious choice, paving the way for cleaner air and a cooler planet. It's a commitment to sustainability that the world urgently needs, as urban and industrial growth continues unabated. 4. Wind power. A rapidly growing force. Wind energy has cemented its place as one of the fastest-growing renewable energy sources over the past few years. The striking silhouettes of towering wind turbines dotting landscapes are becoming increasingly common. Offshore wind farms have emerged as game-changers due to their access to higher and more consistent wind speeds. This robust growth is fueled by the efficiency of modern turbines, which can harvest wind energy more effectively than ever before. Innovative designs enable turbines to capture and convert more kinetic energy, contributing significantly to grid supply. 5. Efficiency. Maximizing wind's potential. Modern wind turbines have become marvels of engineering. They convert about 50% of wind's kinetic energy into electricity, showcasing remarkable efficiency. These advancements have transformed wind energy into a reliable contributor to the energy mix. Whereas older models had their limitations, today's turbines are finely tuned instruments that optimize energy capture. This technological progression underscores wind power's potential to integrate seamlessly into national grids, offering renewable energy solutions across the globe. 6. Geographical dependence. The role of location. Despite its promise, wind power's efficacy is heavily location-dependent. Regions with coastal exposure and open plains are ideal for wind farms due to consistent wind patterns. However, this geographical dependence limits the deployment of wind energy in some areas, particularly those nestled in valleys or shielded by dense forests. Yet, where conditions are favorable, wind turbines can generate large amounts of electricity, reducing reliance on conventional power sources. It's a balancing act of identifying optimal sites, enhancing resource extraction, and minimizing transmission losses. 7. Nuclear power. High energy density. Nuclear power is perhaps the most enigmatic energy source among the trio. It offers an unrivaled energy density, producing immense amounts of power from a minuscule quantity of uranium. Just one uranium pellet is enough to generate as much energy as a ton of coal or 149 gallons of oil. This density gives nuclear power plants an impressive edge in terms of energy output. If harnessed judiciously, nuclear energy can meet substantial energy demands, rendering it an invaluable asset in global energy strategies. 8. Reliability. Unmatched consistency. One of nuclear power's most compelling benefits is its reliability. Unlike solar and wind, which depend on environmental conditions, nuclear power plants are robust bastions of consistent energy output. They operate around the clock, providing a reliable baseload that underpins our daily electrified comforts. This steadfast reliability underscores nuclear's role in stabilizing energy grids, ensuring a constant supply that complements the intermittent nature of renewable energy sources. Yet, the risks and waste management challenges accompanying nuclear power continue to stir significant debate. 9. Low carbon emissions. Cleaning the air. A potent argument in nuclear power's favor is its low carbon emissions. Nuclear energy operations produce no greenhouse gases, aligning it with global efforts to combat climate change. When evaluated across its entire life cycle, nuclear energy remains a low-carbon alternative, offering solutions for reducing our carbon footprint. Safety concerns, nonetheless, demand rigorous oversight and innovation to prevent and manage catastrophic events. Continued research into safer reactor designs and waste disposal methods is crucial to fortifying nuclear energy's role in our sustainable future. Each of these energy sources, solar, wind, and nuclear, offers unique advantages that can be instrumental in our transition towards a cleaner, greener planet. Their interplay and potential synergies hold the key to addressing the multifaceted challenges of climate change, energy security, and global sustainability. Exploring these energy forms' nuanced features reveals that the future could be bright, windy, and powerful.